Hello all, I am presenting our work detecting human object interaction with mixed supervision. I am Suresh Kirti Kumaraswamy. I am a researcher with Interdigital Inc. and this work was done during my stay at University of Lumon, CNRS, Eriza Ren. My collaborators are Myojing Shi, who is an assistant professor with King's College London, and Professor Eva Kichak, who is an associate professor with CNRS, Eriza, University of Rennes, India Rennes. Human object interaction detection is all about detecting and localizing human object and action triplet. Ever since the introduction of the dataset HOI-DET in WCV 2018, the field has been quite active and it has evolved using RCNN features, pose features, language features, and recently even the part space features. We base our work on this one, which is called No Frills HOI detection in ICCV 2019, which uses RCNN features and pose features as appearance features, and their CNN is quite simplistic. We propose mixed supervision. We know that weak supervision is important because annotation is expensive, but full supervision is informative, so we should be able to use it when it is available. So mixed supervision framework is like this, where we should be able to use the region level or the full supervision data when it is available, or the image level or the weak supervision data for updating the network. But mixed supervision is not straightforward. This is due to adversarial impact on momentum. As you see here, consider the case of a vanilla no frills implementation having 70% weak supervision data and 30% full supervision data. What happens is there is an accuracy fall in the mixed supervision learning. So we propose for a weight update, instead of using a common momentum, we use independent momentum, one for weak supervision data only, the other one for full supervision data only. And when T is using weak supervision data, we use momentum due to weak supervision for update, and similarly for the full supervision. We also propose HOI element swapping based hard negative mining. Consider image 1, which has got this human object and the object with which the human is interacting. Consider image 2, it has got this human and this is the object with which it is interacting. When we do the augmentation, we take the image of human of image 2 and join it with the object of image 1, and similarly for the case of image 1 human. This has shown to be effective. Our data flow is as follows. This is a mixed supervision with MIL and HES. So the input image is passed through object detector, which gives us the bounding boxes. We do the element swapping based hard negative mining, and then we calculate the pose features and appearance features, which is forward passed this way. Whenever the iteration has got the weak supervision data, this is the back propagation path, and this is the back propagation path for the iterations having full supervision data. And our result for the HOI detection WCV 18 dataset using standard test train protocol is as follows. As you see, for the case of 100% weak supervision data, we get 1% better accuracy than the no frills implementation. And for the mixed supervision data, that is 70%, 30% weak and full. This is the accuracy. When we increase the full supervision proportion, the accuracy improves. For the case of 100% full supervision data, our result is quite competitive, and the only results which are better than us are normally the ones which use either the language features or part-based features or both. And this is the showing the ablation study for the effectiveness of increase in proportion of full supervision compared to increasing proportion of weak supervision. Consider the case where we use only 60% of the training data, where 30% comes from weak supervision and 30% is fully supervised. This is the accuracy. When we increase the full supervision by 20%, we get the improvement of 0.8, and another 20% gives us another 0.6 of improvement, keeping weakly supervised fixed. Similarly, as you see here, keeping fully supervised fixed, when we increase the weak supervised proportion, the improvement is not so much. It is just 0.3, 0.3. This is the ablation study where we show HES is effective, and we also propose a mixed learning where we use fully supervised, weakly supervised, and unsupervised data. We proposed mixed supervision learning. We also propose MIL and HES based data augmentation. Thank you.